Hey, thanks very much. All right, that's it for the slow songs. No more slow songs.
I think your cell phone's ringing.
Hello, Jesus?
Got a call from Jesus.
Sorry, we're bordering on the sacrilege there.
It's just weird. If I stand here, it bugs.
Free birds? You got a free bird? Who's giving away birds?
Hey,
you got a bird?
Got birds? Are they cooked? I'm hungry. Got
we like herbs and spices.
Hey, we're getting the spots.
Beat it.
Okay, this next one, I'm feeling a little local, perhaps even crazy. You might say I'm like on the crazy train. Well, if I was on the crazy train, what would happen if I fell off the tracks? How crazy would that be? I guess we're not going to do that anyway. And I see you all out here.
All right, I'm going to try and sing this one. I barely know it. Any Ozzy fans out there? Anybody like Ozzy Osbourne? Well, I sure can't sing like him, but I'm going to try.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. All aboard!
Thank you.